Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, we are to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Gabriel Jesus don't score again versus Real Madrid for the Champions League match we then played yesterday. And the match is a very hot match. The match sweet's gone because the match ended 4-3 in favor of Man City. So now the first leg of the Champions League tie with that. And for the match, as I watch my entire focus now for that Gabriel Jesus, I watch the way the guy they do movement. As in the guy don't get one kind of breath of fresh air. I don't know whether that's because Arsenal they really say they won't sign him. Maybe think on boost him morale, let Man City know say I'm still good now, you know. The guy they play very well. After he scored 4 goals against Watford, they come score for this one. So my fear now be say make Man City no can change their mind, say okay they no want sell this guy again, but they no can go give him a new contract to get. And the guy said who knows, he may go and accept the contract. But I know say the fear we make I won't come up for Man City. Say Man City he knows say they won't sign Erling Haaland. And he knows say if Erling Haaland come, your own chances go diminish. It will go down the pecking order. And at the same time, now we see they never even get a strong number 9. Instead, they do for Benjamin. They play Jack Grealish sometimes for 9, play Phil Foden, play Sterling, as in play different type of system where Pep Guardiola they play. So my fear now be say, Shey Guardiola no go change the mind. Now the reason go the angle me at the reason. And this is why we say Arsenal don't pursue this guy now. Make them no make them all their eggs in one basket to get. Make no be like Vlahovic, so they pursue only him. Last he can't disappoint us. No can know what to go do again. So as we pursue him, we'll make sure so we pursue other targets just in case this one no go away, then another one go away. Then away from that, so Repalo will be one of Arsenal legends. Don't come outside. So but back on the talk say make Arsenal no go for Gabriel Jesus. Say instead make them go sign Ivan Toney. You get. And the reason we make Baba they bring this guy idea come for the table be say in the field say this Gabriel Jesus now if he could cause bidding war, if he don't make many people like maybe Manchester United now if he can't involve for the matter, Chelsea now self define striker if he can't involve for the matter. No many clubs now if he get better pedigree passes if he can't involve for the matter, you can't turn to bidding war. Before you know something will be saying now normal that kind 30-35 million pounds, you can't return to 50-60 million pounds because many people don't involve, just like what happened to Darwin Núñez. Initially, Chevy they say now 40 something, 50 something. Now don't the 60, don't the 70. Why? Because many people don't they involve. So you can talk for Ivan Toney. How many people the reason the guy matter? You get if he just go there, take a chance on him. Now what's happen for Tammy Abraham? When they want sell Tammy Abraham to Arsenal say they no want to get. Then how many people they go for the guy? Roma took a chance on him. He don't blow now. Everybody can remember. Almost die yet. Tammy Abraham, our guy, our nigga. Take the same chance on Ivan Toney. Ivan Toney did a small club like Brentford, and if you play them, you go feel the impact. You go know say yes, one kind striker. She na bullishness he did. She na hold up play anything he wants. Area threats he did. Because this Gabriel Jesus will design another dimension where you go look for an angle. We say this guy is not a target man. He's not a lanky target man. You get. You know go fit give you area, but that is why as Arsenal they reason the guy, they come the reason another striker, we get another profile in the mode of Tammy Abraham. We will give you that target man feature. You get that is why Arsenal they reason the two of them. Nobody say they don't know what then they do. So I don't know whether I want to subscribe to the line of thoughts of this our legend where they talk say Moku go for Ivan Toney ahead of Gabriel Jesus, or if we want to sign the two of them, good. But if to say that one would they look for, so we'll go for Ivan Toney. What do you think? Udinese itself don't come out and say that they're willing to sign Pablo Mari. See, they like the way the guy don't play for a long term. When he come play for them after about 12-13 games, they like the way they see. You get. So now Arsenal hand the day, and I never know how much Arsenal go they willing to sell the guy. Some people they talk that in the range of that kind of 15 to 20 million pounds. I never know how possible it did, because I don't say we know to spend money when we buy the guy from Flamengo. They'll be like now loan, then we'll go and add them small money. I don't even think it was up to 5 million. Wallahi, I don't think it's up to 5 million. But last year, I'm going to see how that one go end. Away from that, so Bukayo Saka can come outside from media set where they come they ask and say how in weekend the day normal if Arsenal know they play, whether they watch ball, you know, get some players like Ben White to talk say they don't like to watch football, though they play ball, but watching is not part of their duty. But Saka talk say for him, say the reverse is the case, saying they like to watch ball, like say depending on when Arsenal they play. Let's say Arsenal they play on Sunday now, so that kind of Saturday now, I ain't go there Arsenal, I ain't go watch some kind of matches, especially if big matches they for maybe La Liga, German Bundesliga or French League. say they like to watch am to learn more. You know, see some kind best players you get we don't reach their peak, when they play very well. Learn one or two, because by watching, you see one kind of skill wey maybe you never tried before, one kind of angle, you know, some kind of things. Say you go learn through those ones. Say even the watch ball, say no yawa. Like Sheila don come and say, I dey talk about one Arsenal player wey feel say dey too hot to handle, and that Arsenal player na Bukayo Saka. So Sheila come talk say the way Saka dey play this season, say Saka don upgrade, you get, say don play very well. And don't forget say Saka don score 12 goals, make 5 assists, and the guy still dey 20 years. Now wetin dey burst my brain, say the guy dey 20 years and he's playing very well. Like Arsenal can't take dependence on him, a 20-year-old. Come on, man. So the guy is very happy. So you can list Saka as one of the players of the week. Your players of the week when they write every week. You don't put Saka in there, say the guy really deserve to be there. It's a nice one. At the same time, Sanchez, maybe one of our monitoring spirit, don't come and say, the talk say Arsenal to sign Gabriel Jesus or to sign Tammy Abraham or to sign some kind of players so they mention their name, maybe Ruben Neves, say it they determined by one particular thing. If Arsenal finish for top 4, then it would be very easy for them to sign all these players. You see that Champions League attraction, that what they attract most of these players. You see all those kind of Yuri Tillemans when they play for Leicester City, where we say we won't sign them too. Anything make Arsenal enter Champions League slots, many of all these players will be called. Sure, they run, they come our agents, they call the Edu Gaspar, say Baba beg, go come sign me because we get waiting them they find. Champions League is the holy grail of football. It's like the biggest stage in club football. Everybody wants to play there, and they get many good players. So they say they never test that competition before. See Jack Grealish, no matter how good reach in the past, not be the first Champions League when they play like this with Manchester City be that. So now so it just be. So everybody want play, and so far the talk say it is very crucial. So everything will go sign. If we want sign top players, it will be dependent on where we finish for the end of the season. Well, more they watch. At the same time, in right here, I can't talk about Gabriel Jesus. So Baba can't say Gabriel Jesus na very elite player, and a very good player. And at the same time, say the guy dey everywhere on the pitch. If you watch the ball, in the for flank, in the for nine, he dey everywhere. He dey very dynamic. The guy can give you different style, different system. You can play him on the flank, you can play him as the center forward, you can play him on both flanks, anywhere. You can play him through the middle, you can play him with the 4-4-2 system. The guy is very good, and he can adapt. And the way the guy dey dribble, because me I watch him yesterday live, nobody say then tell me. The way the guy dey dribble, they enter, you know, sharp. The guy sharp. No, the guy dey very good. So he right self don't approve am, say make Arsenal sign am, say he go take Arsenal to another level. And I dey very happy say almost all Arsenal fan base, everybody dey happy with Gabriel Jesus. There are few people wey go talk say no sign am, no sign am. Everybody is okay with the guy. We believe say he go be a very good replacement for at least Lacazette. Then later upon they find a replacement for Aubameyang. And don't forget that we are also replacing Eddie Nketiah. We need at least 3 strikers because injury can come, COVID can come, suspension can happen. Boko no go get suspension to our main striker because they cry. Just imagine having Darwin Núñez, Gabriel Jesus, and Tammy Abraham. Have the 3 different profile of players. Have them to give you different dimension. If you want to play 4-4-2, then they. If you want to play 4-3-3, then they. If you want to play 4-2-3-1 or 1B, any system you want to play, you get the puzzles, the system, the people you will take put in the system. So now my prayer be that. About the guy don't come outside from media setting, they scatter everywhere when they talk about Erling Haaland. So you can talk about in relationship with Haaland. So back on talk say 2 of them they play for Norway national team. They understand themselves. They are best of friends. So you know they hear many rumors say the guy if he come EPL. So what you know be say anything we make the guy won't come EPL, then go reason and say the guy must join them. We get Arsenal, he must join Arsenal again. And if he join Arsenal, it will be a massive coup d'etat. It will be a massive statement for Erling Haaland to join Arsenal. It's going to take us to glory days. Like first we say if you give him 10 chances, he's likely to score 8. Guys are very prolific striker. I mean, I like the way the guy will play, the guy will score, the guy will break many records, goal scoring records. I like the guy, and he's very young. It would be hard for us to sign him because we don't get the money to blow. But if let's say paraventure, the guy can talk say okay, but because of Odegaard, Marcon joining now. Wala go deal. Arsenal they prepared £35 million bid to Man City for Gabriel Jesus after they don't get preliminary talks. You get this one don't come because after they don't do all the talking, nothing remain again and to bid. the player don't accept terms, he don't agree to join us. That talks we then talk now. Edu Gaspar and the player agents, they don't get talks. They don't really say, okay, we won't come join you now. Okay, how far? Okay, your player, he don't agree. Yes, he don't agree. Okay, see the personal terms. We won't give him £6 million per year. He agree. Yes, he like him. Okay, what's it called remain now for Arsenal and Man City to come agree a deal in principle. Say, okay, how much now sell and last? The public valuation, the transfer valuation, what they hear, we say, will cost that kind of £35 million. We are ready to pay it, no be problem to us. So Baba, oh yeah, we want offer bid, what you talk. At least they agree a deal in principle so that once season end, the guy will just enter. No be say season end now, will enter bidding war. Now what we know once. So well, but they say everything will turn out. Another question now where many people they ask now, they say, Shey Gabriel Jesus go be a good fit for Arsenal. For me, it's going to be a good fit, though it's not a target man, it's not a focal point. You get some kind of time, so you say if you want to play 4-2-3-1. You get, or maybe you want to play 5-3-2 or 5-4-1. You get, just need one man, one lone striker there for cross and not. You know, go give you that one. That is special. If you give you that kind of thing now, all those kind of Vlahovic, all those kind of Tammy Abraham, all those kind of Darwin Nunes, you see them they good in the air, and then go give you that target man or Dominic Calvert-Lewin, and then go give you that target man vibe. Gabriel Jesus, those are one of your flaws. How many heading goals in the score? He did few, but for leg, he's very good. He's very quick with his feet. So that one another flaw. That is why if you want to sign a second striker, you need a different profile than what we already have. You get, so now so you just be. Our Paul Scholes don't come as I call the advice Erik ten Hag will be the new incoming Manchester United coach. He come talk say Baba as they enter Man U now. See the first thing way I would like make you do be say make you emulate wetin make Arteta dey do for Arsenal. Copy in system, copy in style, as in take charge of the dressing room, take charge of the team. All those players will get ego wey you know say they go disrupt the camaraderie of the team, sell them away, release them, tear their contracts. All those kind Cristiano Ronaldo, because I hear say I never know whether I do official, but I hear say Erik ten Hag don't tell them say no want Cristiano Ronaldo because Cristiano Ronaldo affects the dynamic play of Manchester United. Anybody wey hold ball, you go forget say you did good on the ball, you go wan give Cristiano Ronaldo. It can't affect that psychic. You see Bruno Fernandes wey be say on the normal, he dey score. If you hold ball, you go find Ronaldo. Sancho go hold ball, you go find Ronaldo. Rashford, everybody hold ball, Ronaldo, which is not very good. So if Ronaldo come out, you can't see the main Manchester United. So they don't the advise am. All those kind of Maguire, where you know say you know to do too good enough. Forget how much them buy. This guy like 80 million pounds or thereabouts. Sell them. You know just the advice this guy. You see they don't use our manager Mikel Arteta as a template for another manager. Later, some people come and say Arteta out. They whine me. Which Arteta out? Now around with Chelsea back to back, win Chelsea, win Man U. People don't say we know they win big team, we know they win big team. People don't win them now. All those people they criticize Arteta before. How far, how market? Nobody they come outside and they sing in praises. So, but if we get one little blip now, they will come outside. Surprise, Piers Morgan will be one of our celebrity Arsenal fans. Don't come outside call the advice Mikel Arteta, Edu Gaspar, and Richard Garlic. Say if we want to compete for titles, say we need to sign 3 players. Say don't scam them, and the 3 players wey feel say go take us to the promised land. Say number 1, we could go sign Cristiano Ronaldo. So after Cristiano Ronaldo, then we go sign Declan Rice and we go sign Gabriel Jesus. Now we go analyze who we could sign. Look at Cristiano Ronaldo. Why just complain now? Say it is scatter a team. You get, because in the form I am Ronaldo, I am a god. You get, anybody who ball, give me the ball. And we know the build team and one person say one build am on Ronaldo. You get, so that one I don't know. I don't know what him see when we call Cristiano Ronaldo. Leave that one side. Then Gabriel Jesus, fine. I quite agree with that one. We need that moving forward. Then Declan Rice. If you want to go for Declan Rice, you go enter a bidding war because I think Man U did there, Chelsea did there. For one enter. The guy even they talk saying that kind 80-90 million pounds. But Declan Rice, so midfielder, Declan Rice, so I don't know how many goals in the score. Change good, better pass party. I don't know. So for those who they talk say Declan Rice. I beg if you know how Declan Rice they play because I don't like. I know to the watch a West Ham match. You get. But if you're a big team, I know they count West Ham as big team. Where I go to watch. The other say I go to watch Brighton match because of Bissouma. They whine me. I beg if you don't watch yesterday, should check the top left corner of your screen. You go see the thumbnail. Click on so that you go get all Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So it's CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your week. Now get out.